Okay, I'm going to do a little, I'm going to teach you a song, and I'm going to talk a little bit about playing rhythm guitar for dance music or R&B music. Here's the song I'm going to teach. It's by the group Jermango Dreaming, and the song is called Breeze. Okay, there's the song. I'll put a link to it in the description. I heard it on the Nice Guys Volume 2 compilation. In this song, and in a lot of dance music, they're using minor 7 chords and major 7 chords. So that's a little different from like your rock type of chords. All right, and this song has a A minor 7. Most people play it like this. Okay, and you're just barring the first 4 strings with your ring finger and the 6th string, which is your root. You're playing that with your middle finger, and you're muting the 5th with both fingers. So you're playing string 6 and then 4 through 1. Now a lot of times you can play it with just one finger because you're just playing the bottom 3 or 4 strings. You don't need to be playing the bass note. All right, next chord is a C major 7. And then it's played barring the first 5 strings. You don't play the 6th string on this form that I'm going to show you. And then you put your middle finger on the 4th string, G, ring finger on the 5th fret, D, and pinky on the 5th fret, B. So we're going to go. Our third chord is going to be the D minor 7. Just like a D minor bar chord, but you just take your pinky off. I'm just going to show you those 3 chords, but just know there's more ways to play those chords. All right, and what you're going to be doing when you're playing this type of rhythm guitar is you're going to be keeping your strumming hand going with the beat. And the guitar is going to be controlled by your fretting hand, whether you're pressing the strings or releasing the strings. When you release the strings, you're going to get a scratch rhythm. So this should be going the whole time. And you're controlling the beat with your fret hand. All right, then it goes to... And I don't use a pick because generally you don't want a hard attack on the strings. You want just a very soft attack on the strings. If you are going to use a pick, I would use like a very thin one. and you know, it's kind of like a reggae beat, and you're playing on the off beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and. Okay, you're not playing on 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. You're playing 1 and is where you're placing your emphasis. Another way to describe that is it's called the off beat. Yeah, I hear him playing mostly on the off beat. But I actually hear two guitars on the track. So one is playing this, the other is playing. So in general, you're gonna, in dance music, you're gonna be playing on the off beat a lot of times, and you can vary it. Just by holding down your fretting hand longer, the strings. And then probably a lot of people would play that A minor 7 here, this way, and the D you can play up here if you want. This is this form, because you have a D here at the 10th fret, 6th string. And a lot of times, like I think I mentioned, is you're gonna just be playing the top 3 strings, because that's the frequency that will go well with the other instruments. All right, so that's some advice on rhythm guitar, and it's also how you can play this song called Breezy, or just called Breeze. I'll put a link to it in the description. So thanks for watching.